Tailwind CSS which makes more worst to my project. I simply note down the worst points of Tailwind CSS. Number 1. Learning curve. Some of the developers find the initial learning curve of Tailwind CSS to be steep, especially if they are used to traditional CSS. It can take time to become a proficient in using the utility classes effectively. Number 2. Large HTML files. Tailwind CSS can lead to larger HTML files due to the proliferation of class attribute in the markup. This can make that HTML less readable and harder to maintain. Number 3. Less expressiveness. While Tailwind CSS provides a vast number of utility classes, it can be argued that it's less expressive than writing custom CSS, which allows for more fine-grained control over styling. Number 4. Customization overhead. Customization, the default design that utility classes in Tailwind CSS can be challenging. It may require extensive configuration and understanding of the underlying system. Number 5. Class clutter. As a project grows, the HTML can become cluttered with many utility classes, potentially make it harder to read and maintain. Number 6. File size. Including the entire Tailwind CSS framework in your project can result in a larger CSS file size, which may impact page load times if it is not optimized properly. Number 7. Lack of semantic meaning. Some argue that Tailwind CSS encourages a class-centric approach, potentially sacrificing that semantic meaning of elements and their purpose in that HTML markup. Number 8. Browser compatibility. Tailwind CSS uses a lot of CSS properties, and ensuring cross-browser capability may require additional work. Conclusion. In summary, while Tailwind CSS is widely used utility-first CSS framework with several advantages, it does comes with some potential drawbacks. This includes a learning curve, larger HTML, and a less expressiveness and compared with the traditional CSS, and the customization challenges. Additionally, it may lead to class clutter in HTML markup, have a relatively large file size, and require extra effort for browser capability. Whether Tailwind CSS is a right choice for your projects depends on your specific requirements and your team preference, as it's offer efficiency and consistency benefits in exchange for these potential trade-offs. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.